A very good morning, friend. In this video, we are going to talk about the National Agri-Food Biotechnology Institute Mohali Research Training Program. It is also a paid type of research training program. Previously, we have also discussed an research training program which is by CSIR IIIM, that is the Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine, Jammu and Srinagar. Now we are looking forward to Nabi Research and Training Program. So first of all, about this institute carries the cutting edge umpirings. Research areas include agriculture, biotechnology, epigenetics, computational biology, bioinformatics, post harvest technology, nanotechnology, food safety, food nutritional science, and technology. The most of the area that are related to is the food and agriculture. So the training areas in which you can pursue your training is about agriculture, biotechnology, computational biology, bioinformatics, food science and technology, nutrition science and technology. So in this you are going to get trained, and also you are going to work on the tissue cultures, on the plant tissue culture or the animal tissue culture. You are going to also get some hands-on training on this. And the most important things for you, the training period is around 4 to 6 months. But the most important thing that for you, that you have only pay 5,000 plus GST. I think it's 18%. It's become, I think, 5,900 for all 4 to 6 months. Wherein IIM, when you compare, you have to pay 5,900 for a single month. So this training is about 4 to 6 months, and you have to pay only 5,900. Where in the CSR IIM you have to pay 5,900 per month. So if you are training for 6 months, so you get paid around 35,000, around 35,000 or more than that. So you have to pay 5,000 per month, 4 to 6 months. If you want, if any problem happens with you or something, get into your training that you want to leave, so before start you can withdraw. There is only 20% deduction, around, I think, 1,000 rupees they will deduct and give back you around 5,000 rupees. But if you cancel the training in mid, then you will not get any type of refund. So before starting of the training you can cancel your application, but you have to there is maybe deduction of 20%. Eligibility, there is also the first come first basis. The registered student from any branch of life science, basic sciences, applied sciences, engineering, colleges, universities, graduation or post graduation degree, they can apply. Even the student pursuing their uh, graduation degree or post graduation degree, they can also apply, but they have to submit an letter from the department or the college or university on their letterhead, where some girls having that issue, or someone having, and that's the same issue about how they arrange accommodation. So Navi is giving accommodation, but the rooms are shared in the guest house or the hotels, and at an prescribed rate. Normally this rate's not more than around 200 or 300. They will give you a room, and that is a shared type of room. I hope most probably they will arrange hostel or guest house for the trainings. The last date is around December 10, is 10th of December 2022 by 5:30. The filed application form downloaded from Nabi, and the application must be forwarded by head of department, dean or registrar, head of institute, or a letterhead if candidate is pursuing a degree, PG or graduation. Next, the application link I provided you in the description. Thank you so much. All the best. You can subscribe our channel for more updates, training and academics video. Thank you so much and all the best.